Hey guys, Dave Mate here. Today I want to talk about something called tereré. It's a little bit difficult to pronounce, but let's try that again. Tereré, tereré. It's spelled T-E-R-E-R-E, and it's the traditional method of drinking yerba mate in the country of Paraguay. Essentially all that means is iced yerba mate or cold yerba mate. And the way that they usually do it is they get a cylindrical shaped gourd and they put some of their yerba in it, some of their yerba mate. They put some herbs inside of it, and then they simply get a canister or a thermos of cold ice water. Sometimes they add fruit juice to it or lemon juice or whatever sort of juice, and they drink the mate cold like that. They just use that water, they incorporate it into their gourd, and they keep on drinking. That's cool. It's not really one of my favorite ways of drinking mate. It's very prevalent in Paraguay. You see it in Argentina, in Buenos Aires once in a while. They usually use a small little gourd, sometimes a metal gourd, and they like to add fruit juice and fruit punch to their water mixture. I'm not a big fan of it. What I like to do is something a little bit different, where I actually prepare the hot mate first. I prepare it out of a French press over here. That way, when I'm using the heated mate, I'm getting all the benefits of the mate. I'm getting all the nutrients, all the chemicals that I need, all the sort of acids, all the great stuff that I need, the saponins. When you don't heat the water up to at least 160, 145 or so, 150, you're not going to be taking advantage of those amazing chemicals. That's the way I like to do it. Of course, this is just one of many videos that I'll be discussing cold yerba mate, tereré. This is just the first one. It's a beginner one. We're using the French press today. It's an easy method to do it. So let's get into it, guys. This is Dave Mate from Circle of Drink. And of course, check us out at www.circleofdrink.com for all your mate needs, supply. Remember, guys, we're on a mission. Mate is amazing. It's our elixir of life. It's the drink beyond a drink, the drink of the gods. Just drink this stuff and feel amazing. Drink this stuff and just start your life. So what you want to do is start with some of the finest yerba mate you could find. This is one of our varieties, Suffolk Lights. Of course, there's many varieties out there. Feel free to choose one to your liking. I recommend choosing one that has a light body. When I make tereré, iced yerba mate, I like to use mate with a light body. That's a good starting point, but as you continue to make tereré, you could of course try ones with darker bodies and stronger bodies. So what you want to do is, for every 8 ounces you want to use 5 grams. So 5 grams is about this much right here, which is approximately 1 teaspoon, 5 grams. So let's go ahead and put 5 of these in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5 of those in there. And you can see it's just about that much of yerba mate on the bottom of the French press. Now go ahead and add water that's been heated to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, you don't want the water to be boiling. You just want it very hot and steamy. Add that water in slowly to your French press. Of course, if you don't have a French press, feel free to use a tea infuser or simply grab yourself a pot, and later on you could strain that pot with any sort of baking strainer. No problem. Now we're going to let that sit for about 7 to 10 minutes because I want a nice strong iced yerba mate. Look at how amazing this stuff looks. Yerba mate tea, this is the most powerful elixir on the planet Earth. It just gives you life. You drink it and you feel invigorated. You feel like, no kidding, you could take over the world. You feel healthy. You feel alert. You feel like you have this high sense of concentration, this high sense of awareness, your consciousness improves and you're able to see the world in a way that you've never seen it before. Yerba mate tea drinkers know this inherently. They know this to be true because they drink mate and they continue to drink mate and they feel the effects day in and day out. This is the drink of the gods. This is the magical elixir of life. If you are going to add a sweetener, please add it while the mate is still hot. Alright, so the mate's been sitting in there, steeping for about 10 minutes. Nice and strong, just how I like it. So, I'm just going to plunge it down with the French press. Bring it all the way down, nice and slow. And now I'm going to decant this, or pour this into a pitcher. Now the idea is to let this cool down inside the pitcher for about 20 minutes or so, 15 minutes at least. And then this tereré, or iced yerba mate, will be ready to be served with some ice in a glass. And there you go, you can save the rest for later, put it in the fridge. Very good color in there. Very nice color. Nice amber. That's the potency of the mate right in there. All the life force. We are on a mission. A mission to get healthy. A mission to remain alert. A mission to feel amazing. A mission to connect with our friends. A mission to connect with our family. A mission to just wake up every day with a purpose. Drink some mate and get to work. Follow your mission, follow your passion. Drink yerba mate tea. Now let's grab a large glass, add some ice. Now that the mate has cooled for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and now we gotta add it to the ice. And there you go. Ta-da-day. A beautiful glass of iced yerba mate. Alright folks, this has been another demonstration. My name is Dave Mate, I'm from Circle of Drink. I hope you enjoyed this video on making yerba mate iced tea, also called tereré. Salud to that. Nice and cold, nice and refreshing. As always, check us out at circleofdrink.com, and of course just plug into one of our communities on Facebook. Just type in Circle of Drink on the search bar on the top of Facebook and you'll find one of our many communities. And we have a dedicated forum at circleofdrink.com/forum. My name's Dave Mate. Thank you so much for listening. Send me your comments, ask questions, and let's keep this mission going. Yerba Mate life.